Hey, I'm Sarah, and this is Ask Me Anything. I'm here to answer your questions. It's always so interesting to me to see what you guys are dialed into. What caught your eye? What do you want to know more about? And so many of you want to know all about the vinyl flooring. Since when did anybody get super excited about basement flooring? Well, pretty much since never until now, right? So this vinyl flooring, what's super amazing, hold on a second, you know what? I'm gonna go get a sample and I'm gonna come right back. Just a second. This is the floor that I put throughout the upper two floors. Shh, that's a bit of a giveaway. Maybe I shouldn't have told you that. This is the floor. So this is the floor that I've chosen to install in other areas of the house. It's an engineered white oak floor. Now, this is the vinyl I installed. And in case you're wondering, yes, it does come in other colors. This is the color I used. And here's what's cool about this floor. What you can see is it has a foam backing on it. It's kind of squishy, and this is how it goes together. The pieces click together like this. So what's super cool about this? No glue, no nails. It literally clicks seamlessly in place and lies flat. Crazy. Okay, the reason I'm pointing this out is because other vinyl flooring is sold like this. No backing, nothing, it's just vinyl. If you use the vinyl, which you may be able to find at a less expensive price point per square foot, you need to make sure the floor is absolutely perfectly level, and it's gonna need to be glued down. So you're gonna pay more for the install. Here you pay a little bit more for the floor, but less for the install. And in case you're wondering, what do you think about it, Sarah? Do you like it after the fact? I love this floor. I originally thought about putting vinyl throughout the whole house, and Kate on my team said, do it. Put it through the whole house. I chickened out. I spent the money on wood, which costs twice as much. And quite frankly, I think I would have been just as happy with vinyl. So in case you're thinking about it, do it. The other thing to point out here is, let's talk about the stairs. Because the stairs, we opted for a paint grade stair. And you probably thought, why would you get paint grade stairs? Because this is such a unique color. So what we wanted to do was get our painter to work a little magic, and he was able to make the color of the stairs match exactly to the color of our vinyl. Didn't cost much. We chose to paint the stringers, so that's the part on the side that holds each tread. Those are painted in a solid charcoal gray. And then Steve, our painter, put a couple of different tones. He put a little bit of stain and a little bit of paint, and we feathered it all out. So we ended up with something that connects from an upper floor to a lower floor with a third material, which is our stairs, and it all works seamlessly together. So there's a trick. Save some money wherever you can and celebrate the materials you're using. And in the end, it all looks awesome.